For my friends that love to get out into nature like I do, you are gonna love this diffuser blend. It smells sweet and woodsy, just like a peaceful forest. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth, and I love teaching you how to turn natural ingredients into natural products. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a diffuser blend that you can use in your diffuser. It's great whenever you wanna relax or refresh your home. So turn off your distractions, because making is healing. Let's make this Peaceful Forest recipe blend from Simply Earth. Before I tell you what you need, know that we at Simply Earth are just obsessed with making it easy for you to create with essential oils. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's DIY Bath and Spa Box. When you subscribe to Simply Earth's Essential Oil Recipe Box, you get the key ingredients you need to make natural recipes, mastering a new theme every month. We'll even throw in a big bonus box when you subscribe. You can also find the ingredients for this recipe at simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing all the ingredients I need from Simply Earth's DIY Bath and Spa Box. It has a variety of bath-themed recipes, along with the diffuser recipe that we are going to be making in this video. For this Peaceful Forest diffuser blend, you're going to need to use fir needle, which smells like a pine forest. I think you will love it. Bergamot, which has a citrus smell. Tranquility and sleepy. And as their name implies, they're very calming. You'll also need to grab from your big bonus box a 5 ml amber bottle. I'm going to be using our stone diffuser. Look how pretty it is. Diffuser blends are so easy to make. Just watch me. So for Peaceful Forest diffuser blend, we need 3 drops of fir needle, 2 drops of bergamot, 1 drop of tranquility, 1 drop of sleepy. That was all the ingredients, just 4. How simple was that? Now all you have to do is turn it on and enjoy, and it'll be like you're in the forest. It smells so good, just like a forest, just like I'm outside. I absolutely love how this diffuser blend smells and how it makes me feel. It's like I'm outside in the woods, even though I'm stuck inside. So I'm gonna make a master blend so I can use it whenever I need it. Use your 5 ml amber bottle, add 43 drops of the fir needle, 28 drops of bergamot, 14 drops of tranquility, and 14 drops of sleepy. Shake, smell, and enjoy. And don't forget to label. You're gonna want to know which this is. You can make this too. I love to see your creations on social media. So when you make this recipe, and I know you will, take a picture and tag @FromSimplyEarth and add #IMadeThis so that I can see it, and you will automatically be entered into our #IMadeThis challenge, and you could win a $5 gift card from Simply Earth. How exciting! Follow for more natural recipes like this one. You're gonna enjoy.